$100 invested annually. So the payment is $100 invested annually. So the M is equal to 1. Our T is equal to 8 years. Oh, 9% interest rate. That is pretty high. The one thing I know with this textbook and these classwork problems and homework problems is that the compounding is always the same as the payment. So that's good. It's not that you're going to invest it annually and then the compounding is every month. They're always going to match up. So that's simplifying things for everybody. And the formula is over here. So what is the accumulated amount after 2 years? So we're going to have 100 buckaroos. And we have 1 plus 0.09 over 1. And then to the 1 times t, so it's 1 times 8 minus 1 all over 0.09 over 1. Okay, and alert that there's a lot of room for error using the calculator. Not so much for this one because conveniently we're dividing by 1 in 2 places. And when you divide by 1, it doesn't change the formula, but make sure you do practice this. Parenthesis, caret to the 8 minus 1, and then all of that divided by 0.09. All right, so this is what I have. I'm going to press enter in a hot second. And then I'm always going to ask myself,
Sir, on your calculator, looks like 8 minus 1 is on the exponent.
Well, the calculator knows PEMDAS. So it's going to do the exponent first, and then it does the subtraction. If you want to be safe, you can put 8 in a parenthesis. Okay. And I guess as a young person, I probably learned that and figured that out how the calculator thinks by maybe experimenting next. So maybe I would do second enter, and then I would put the parenthesis around the 8 just to learn how the calculator thinks. So maybe I would have done something like that. And then I would have noticed, okay, I was fine. But when in doubt, just always use extra parentheses. Okay, and then when you get an answer, always ask yourself, does it seem reasonable? So this is saying, so the accumulated amount is $1,102 and 85 cents. Kind of seems like not a lot of money, but we're only depositing $100 every year. So what is the total amount that we've deposited? I always like to consider this for me to consider if the answer seems reasonable. So every year we're depositing $100, so it's $100 times 8 years.
So it's 800.
Yeah, so it's 800. So over the course of 8 years, we've made about $302 or $303. Okay, it's reasonable. You never want to have the amount deposited be higher than the amount that you accumulated, right? So